Welcome. If you're looking for a way to take a break from posts in a Facebook group without leaving it entirely, Facebook's new snooze feature is just what you need. In this video, I'll show you how to snooze a group on Facebook using your PC, so you can mute the group's posts for a set period of time. Let's dive right in. First, open Facebook on your PC and log into your account. Once you're on your homepage, scroll through your feed to find a post from the group you want to snooze. This could be any post that appears from that group. Now, once you've found the post, look at the top right corner of the post. You'll see 3 dots there. Click on those 3 dots to open a menu with more options. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Snooze Group Name for 30 days. This will temporarily stop posts from that group from showing up in your feed for the next 30 days. Go ahead and click on that option. Once you do, Facebook will confirm that the group is now snoozed, and you won't see any more posts from that group in your feed for the duration of the snooze. And that's it. You've successfully snoozed a group on Facebook for 30 days. If you decide you want to see posts from the group sooner, you can always unsnooze it by following the same steps. This is a great way to take a break from a busy group without unfollowing it completely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy snoozing.